Have you ever wanted to watch an Instagram Live without anyone knowing you were there? It's a common question, but is it actually possible? Let's break it down. Here's the deal. Instagram doesn't let you watch lives anonymously. Once you join a live session, your username is visible to the host and other viewers. There's no hidden mode or stealth feature built into the platform. And if you're thinking about using sketchy websites or apps to stay anonymous, don't bother. They're unreliable and could even put your account at risk. That said, there are a few workarounds to keep a lower profile. One option is altering your Instagram identity by tweaking your username, profile picture, and posts. While this might sound clever, it's risky. Old usernames, tagged photos, or past DMs can easily give you away, especially if the live session is with someone you know. Another option is creating a fake or new account. This is safer than altering your main profile, but it has its own limitations. If the account hosting the live is private, you'll need to send a follow request, and there's no guarantee it'll be accepted. Finally, you could wait until the live is over to see if it's saved as a post. Some users save their live videos, letting you watch them later without being noticed. However, this isn't common. Most live videos are meant for real-time interaction and don't get saved. So, while true anonymity isn't possible, there are a few ways to stay under the radar. Want more tips? Check out our blog for the full guide. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and share for more insights. See you next time.